Hello everyone, in this video, I want to show you how to activate notifications on your T900 smartwatch. This watch works with the Hiwatch PRO app. It's very easy to configure, and I'll explain it step by step. The first thing you need to do is make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, go to the app icon and hold it until a menu appears. Select App Info, then choose Permissions. Enable the location permission so the app can find the watch, and also enable storage to add photos from your phone to the smartwatch. Open the app and look for the option Connect Device or something similar. Wait until your T900 smartwatch appears in the search list, then connect it. This process might take a few seconds. If your smartwatch doesn't appear, reset it to factory settings and try again. Once connected, go to Message Push. Select the apps you want to receive notifications from on your smartwatch. In most cases, a pop-up window will appear asking you to enable permissions for the Hiwatch PRO app. After that, return to the app and activate the apps again to ensure notifications are received on your smartwatch. And that's it. Your T900 smartwatch is now fully set up with the Hiwatch PRO app. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.